People, the war get hot now. This is Plankton answering Mr. Krabbz. Let's get right into it. Part 6. Trouble the apple, bro. Trouble.
Alright. What a pussy name? Batty man crabs keep your farm in. You know see crusty crab fall off killer. Member across the road under the dog. Me a page you no brawling if you no stop talk nigga. Me draw for the glock, me full of clip. Me ras it a warm to the crab we full of shit. Bomb up on the workplace, seeing a the worst way. So pussy baba fi drop, no push a lip. You dirty family, me no bother why. You a hide in a dark and a stiff your mother jaws. Fucking nasty boy crabs, what a drama. You shoulda shame my little self full of card. Me family rich, but yearn them a suffer. Pearl them a muckers. Have me girl, but now I yearns me a go for. Miss puff them a old germs where you can you feel butters. Eugene, how you attack for? You never remember when me was a stepfather. Hold on. Eugene, how you attack? You never remember when me was a stepfather? When you're in your room, are you a meds? Yeah. And me and Betsy did in a bed. Yeah. When you are count up, kind for you, just and me of your mama scream and a ball and a bag. Yeah. Ask her if she remember that. Pussy.
A few moments later.
Jano.
What mother you go? Alright, plugs, let's see how word, man. Just remember how you do it to yourself, you know. Yeah, man, remember how we run the gun, you know. Remember how would I be keen at our one, you know, pussy. Yeah, man, me don't talk now. Just watch our style, yeah.
What's your style? Yeah, people stay tuned for the next part, you understand? But hold on, bro. How the phone work under the water, bro? You understand? Yeah. The dog say, yo, a mother you go. Look for a little planting, bro. I beat up Mr. Krabbz, bro, God. Mr. Krabbz draw for the army. Jano Star War get physical. I'm out.